we're going to the pumpkin patch. In the day, we have a new guest.
I don't want to be on camera.
Well, you're not. Where you here now?
Please no.
I won't believe that. No. No, I don't want to be on the video.
A few moments later.
Guys, and I'm Brantley, and here's my sis, and here's my sis. Don't. That's her. Me and Ella are excited to go to the pumpkin patch, and we're gonna. She's gonna be in the video. No.
What? All right. Okay. Oh, you did it! Really? You did it! You made it!
I want to go by myself.
Oh, Ella, they're eating leaves. No, quit.
What is the one?
Aw, darn it, you're not supposed to tell me.
Come on, hurry up. 5,
Ella.
4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, they're huge, aren't they?
Aw, you're so cute. I want to smell.
No, hey, don't be rough. Just step on it. Don't jump. Milking a cow.
I can smell you.
Nice. Too cool, man.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Alrighty, let's ride.
All right, you gotta go up and down. Okay, Daddy has start you out.
Gotta ship the cargo.
There you go. Now, Brantley, when it goes down, you kind of have to go. Yep.
There you go, B.
Now, Ellie, you go down. Now go back up. There you go. Boy, you're just too cool, ain't you?
Welcome to Chile. I get tractor supply.
Whoa!
That was legitness. Yeah, it was. That was
Oh. I think that's pretty cool.
Get in the school. Wow. We can cover.
Write your name.
Oh, okay.
Now it'll be there forever.
Not.
A cow. A goat.
deer.
Ah, deer.
Hello.
go.
Subscribe to our new channel, The Snack Kids, and give us 2 million K likes.
Oh, they don't need help. Hold on. Whoa. Everything. We gotta. That was awesome.
You want to go do the big slide now? Big slide down there?
You go past the carousel, you're gonna walk straight on back by the general store. Take a left at the general store and then
All right.
area.
All right, put your little bags over there. Was that cool?
Yeah, let's go to the tree house.
Okay. Hey, good job, Brantley. Good job, Ella. Need some help? You sure? Oh, good. Ooh. Oh. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Do it.
Oh, great. This is the only obstacle that's actually challenging. This is actually
Oh, Ella's about to finish. Ella's about to do it. One more. Oh, no, no, no. Don't give up. Don't give up. Oh, man. You were almost there. Whoa. 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 Oh. You all right? I cannot get in that slide with you, girl. I'll stand right there. Rayleigh, are you scared?
No.
You sure? Ella, are you scared?
No.
You scared?
It looks scarier than it is. Excuse me.
All right, go.
What was that?
Oh, that was pretty cool. Get ready. You ready for this? Oh my gosh, Ella!
Don't drop your phone!
All right, hold on. We gotta save some room for Dad. Dakota looks scared. Dakota's scared. Whoa, careful. Say cheese. Whoa. Oh, look at that one's busted open. I want all these pumpkins.
I don't like the white or greenish. Why do we not get some pumpkins?
We're not gonna get some this time, bud.